Welcome to the online student academic page. At the end of this exercise, you guys should be able to carry out geometrical calculation on shapefiles. Geometrical calculation like calculating the perimeter, the surface area of our working zone. The first step is to open our attribution table. Here is the attribution table where all the calculation will take place. So I can submit. We have published a video on how to add, create and edit fields in an attribution table. What you have to do is to go on our page on playlist. You go under Arcgis training. You will see a video on how to create, edit and delete fields in an attribution table. So we are now going to come back to that. We just proceed by calculating the geometries. The first geometry we want to calculate is the perimeter of the polygon, the various polygon. The shapefiles which are polygons. We right click. Before that, we click on start. You click on editor, start editing. Always click on start editing. You choose your layer. You right click. You go on calculate geometry. Okay, the geometry there is perimeter. I choose my unit of measurement to be the kilometer. Suppose you can, the software will give you variety or ranges of units, so you can choose the centimeter, the feet, the kilometer. It depends on you. So I chose kilometer, and your coordinate system should be the projected coordinate system. Take note, we have also make a video on how to move from the geographical coordinate system to the projected coordinate system. Go on our page and you will see the video there. Okay, automatically the software calculate the perimeter of the various polygons. The next geometric geometric calculation be on the surface area. We right click and we calculate geometry. We choose the property area, and the software automatically gives us the range of units. You have the arc, the hectare, the square, the decimeter, the square feet, depending on you. But here we choose kilometer square, the kilometer square. Okay, and automatically it appears. So we are through with calculating the geometries of our various shapefiles. So the next competence I would like us to acquire will be on how to carry out certain geometric manipulation on these values. Okay, I mean we call it field calculators. So the first operation I would like us will be to, suppose we want to maintain the first three significant figures of this field, and keep aside the decimal places. To do that, we will right click and go on field calculator. Under field calculator, we have the parser. Under parser, we have the VB script, and we have the Python. The VB script is to use the VB script, you have to have a mastery or a good knowledge in VB scripting, that is programming. Meanwhile, Python, it is the recommended scripting language for Arcgis, because it gives access to the geoprocessing functionalities, including the feature geometry. So, but by the way, we shall see how to use the two functions. So we start with VB script. On VB script, for example, I want to maintain the first three significant figure of this field. So I will go on stream. Under stream, I will look for left function. Inside the open bracket, I will choose my field, which is perimeter. Click, put comma, and I want to maintain I want to maintain the first 3 significant figures. I put 3. Okay. Automatically the software will keep you retain the first 3 significant figures of that field. So the next operation I will like us to do with the dollar operation. The dollar operation is will help us to concatenate, for example, these 2 fields. To concatenate these 2 fields, I click here, I click, I go on field calculator. I'm still under VB scripting, so I will use the dollar operator. I will choose my first field. My first field is this one. My first field is this one. Before my first field, I will use add dollars. Dollar I put open asterisk. So open asterisk, comma, open asterisk again, dollar. I choose the next field, which is region, and I press OK to concatenate. As you can see, the 2 regions, the 2 fields has been concatenated successfully. So I will move now to the next function, which is the Python. We're going to see how to carry out the operation on Python. The first operation that I want to carry on Python is maybe I want the entries of this field should all be to start with a capital letter. So that was to start with a capital letter, center capital letter, and so on. So I click, I go on field calculator, I go on Python. On Python, screaming, I clear the old tags. I choose my field. The field is a region. I choose replace. I choose capitalize, and OK. As you can see, the field, all the entries of that field has been inserted now with a capital letter at the beginning. The next operation I will like to carry out still under the Python function. I will like, as you can see, I would like to change this information from French to English. I mean from west in French to west in English. This one also from north in French to north in English. So I right click, I go on field calculator. I choose the field region. Yes, I clear the last one. Field region. Go and replace. No, on stream. Sorry, on stream. Go and replace. Browse and replace. Inside replace, I want to replace open asterisk. The old name is West, comma, asterisk, comma, West. I want to put in West. This one also open asterisk, and OK. It changed to West. You can see. We can also do the same. You can do the same for North. Let's do it for North. Come here. I just change. I put North here, and I put this one here. Should be this one. It should be North in English. Is like this. Okay. It changed automatic. So next task I would like us to see again how to put a date, automatic the date. So I go on date, field calculator. I see under Python, I go on date. I want to put a date of, so for always clear the last, I put the date of today. I choose the field which I want to put the date in date. I click, it appears. Okay, automatically the date of today is the 10th of August 2020. Once more, nevertheless, we can also carry out another operation, maybe some arithmetic operation. Suppose on population you want to multiply these entries by this information by 2 or by 10, by 20, depending on you. I right click. You right click the calculator, you go on, you clear the last task, you go on population, you take for example multiply, let's say divide by 10, and okay, it divides by 10. That comes to the end of this tutorial. It was the online student academic channel. If the tutorial was interesting, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and for those who are not yet a member to our platform, please subscribe so that you should be alert to our subsequent tutorials. Thanks for watching.